Hello students, Jai Swaminarayan. This is Sangeeta Singh, your art and craft teacher. So as you can see on my screen, students, that I have made one picture that says perspective drawing. Okay. So this is the perspective drawing. I'll be showing you how to draw and color it. Okay. You need to draw along with me and color as well. I'll tell you about the perception further in the video. What does perception say? Okay. So I'll start. From this point, center of this, I'll be making one line this way and one this way, joining the edges of my page. You will get to know what we are going to make. Actually, I am going to make landscape as I showed you in the picture before. Okay. So this is our road we are making. You can double it. So whenever you go for a drive or wherever you go, you'll be going somewhere like Nani house, Dadi house in your Diwali vacations. Okay. So that time you observe the road. Try to observe the road when you go. So how does it looks like? Wherever we are, if we are here, so हमें जो हमारा road है looks like this. Just observe this time. जैसे the road goes far, it looks like that it is meeting at one point. Actually, it's not possible, but it looks like that. Okay. So, perception, as I said, na, कि whatever is near to you will be bigger. So here we are. So this part is broad and gets narrow when we go far. Don't worry, you will find it easy if you will draw along with me. Okay. So this is our road. This will be the sky part. This will be the grass. So from here I'll make trees. Okay, done. Now from here, see how you need to make trees. we see na trees on the side of road, they look really beautiful, isn't? So even the trees as they go far will be smaller. So that's what I'm trying to show. This way. I guess you might have difficulty making these trees. So if you can't make this, what is this? See, you need to make one line, then make lines this way. If you can't make those, so try making this way. Okay? And then you can double it. It's nothing, it's easy. Like this you can do. What is that? Just I will show again. You can make one line like this. Okay, so this is how we make branch of tree. I have shown you how to make tree, right? So this way, and then one this, done. You can double them. This way. Afterwards we need to erase this. Acha, no, sorry, we don't want to. We should not erase it. We have to erase the lines which are coming inside the tree. Okay, as we can see this line inside our tree, we need to erase this, erase this, erase this, erase this, this. Done. So as this is a road, yes, this line to be erased. Okay, this line to be erased. You can erase this line, and then you need to make this one. Okay, make sure that you erase this line. This line to be erased and this line to be erased. So the whole line to be erased. This will remain here. Only the center line will be erased. Now I'll add the bushes and the tree का ऊपर वाला part just left. So this way you can add the bushes here. I'm taking the screenshot. Fine. Now one last thing is left, the tree's upper part. Then our drawing will be done. Or you can leave it like this also. We can leave the trees this way as well. They look nice only. But I'm adding on. See, it's nothing, I'm just doing this thing for my trees. Okay? They are like this now. As we make clouds, this. So I'll show you what we have done. I'm doing on the top of the branch, you need to do this. Or this. So this is how our drawing is done. It looks beautiful. Now one thing, once you are done with the drawing part, what you need to do is you need to outline it with your black sketch pen as we do every time in every picture. Okay, after drawing you need to outline it with your black sketch pen before moving on to the coloring part. You can choose any color. I have sketch pens also and the crayons as well I have. So what we can do, just see, I'll show crayons only. Fine, I'll show you with the crayons. Oh sorry, I have oil pastels, not crayons. So I'll be using my oil pastels here. You can do with crayons as well if you have. This is for the tree trunk. This is for the trees. Acha. So when you color, once you're done with the coloring part, you need to erase this line. So I'm doing oil pastels, I said. So for the road and the further trees as well, I'll be using my brown color. Okay. I'll be showing you oil pastels shading here. So one color is done. And for this also I will give the outline essay. So this part I'm going to make brown. So with your brown color you can just give outline this way. So as I said, I'll be showing you the shading part. So wherever I have lines, I'll be doing my dark brown. If the part is more, then you can give more thick outline. So this way. It's not that you have to give perfect line. You can do as I'm doing. Fine. If you are done this much, then you can take either you can take light brown or peach color to color this. So I'm taking peach color, and with the peach color you can fill all the white space here this way, merging the color. See the merging, you need to merge it this way and continue doing like this. You need to fill all the spaces with your light color. Wherever the white space is there, you can fill with your light color this way. Fine. You can do black also with this. If you want to make it black, you can make it black as well, but I did not want to use black color because it gets spread. It gets spread and spoils your picture. That's why I'm not using my black color. Otherwise it should be black only, but black, by doing black your picture may get spoiled. So avoid using black. You can use your brown shades only. So I have used my brown shade, and this is how the road is done. Okay, for this part either like you can do brown, but because anyway the trees are going to be brown and this is also brown, so I want to avoid here the brown color. And for these I said I'll be using different colors. So I have mango color. You can take orange color in place of it. Orange and red also we can do. So orange and yellow you can do. Okay, so that will also look nice. So here I am doing orange color. Oh sorry, mango color I am doing. You can take, if you don't have this color, you can take orange in place of it. Then you need to fill it with your light color. Like this. Fine. So tree trunks can be brown. If you want, you can just use one shade. Or two shades. I'll show you two shades. first you can do with your dark color. Okay, so this is how I've done my dark color. Now you can take light color. So with the light color you can do on top of it, so it will give two shades. See, your picture look very nice when you use at least 2 or 3 shades. Try to use at least two shades, like dark and light should be there. Look at this. It looks like realistic 3D effect it is giving, right? The picture is giving 3D effect, isn't? Yes. So now you can color the bushes and the grass. So this part will be, land part will be green. Bushes also green, and this part either, because we are going to use green here, so we can use some red orange shades for the tree. That will also look nice, because we have flower trees na, so that we can make, instead of making it green, you can use some different shade. That will also look nice. So see, I'm not filling it fully, I'm just leaving the spaces in between, so that I'll do my light color. I'm planning to do yellow with this. So see, I have colored the land as well, this part. If this portion is left, what you can do, you can take maybe your see, I have taken the red and the orange shade here, and I can use yellow also with it. Okay. So this is how you can do. See, the way we had drawn it, the same way I'm coloring it. This is how you can do. Fine. So I've done the dark color. Now similarly you can do your medium color. This is medium color. I'm doing it in the circular direction. See, to make it look real, If you can't do like this, then no issues, you can simply color it. Okay, you can simply color it if you find it difficult. Otherwise it is easy only, beta. You just need to do like this. You need to do this way, the spiral thing. The way we make spiral, that same way you need to color it. But still, if you find it hard, you can simply color your trees. If you find it that you are not able to do it this way, otherwise you must try, because this looks really good. Okay, see, if you want to color it simply, then you have an option that you can color it simply ऐसे you can do it, ठीक है, and you can fill it till there. And if you want to do like ma'am, then I'm not gonna fill it. I'll just do this much only. I'm not filling it. So it's up to you how you want to color it. Done. I'm filling the space with my yellow color. You can fill the space with yellow. Fine. See, now we have the sky left, or you can just leave it this way. This is looking nice only. See this, it's looking like realistic one. So try this, do it in your sketchbook, okay? So I'll take your leave now. We'll see you in the next class, and that time I would like to see yours. Till then, complete this, okay? Bye bye, take care. Jai Swaminarayan.